Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Associates on your blog for earning step by step clearly. To enable Amazon Associates on your blog, start by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. If you don't have an Amazon account, create one by clicking on the Join Now button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and password. Once your account is created, sign in to Amazon Associates. You will be prompted to choose your preferred payment method. Select how you would like to receive your earnings, either by direct deposit or Amazon gift cards. Next, provide details about your website or blog. Enter the URL where you will be promoting Amazon products. Be sure to include a brief description of your blog and its target audience. Amazon will ask you how you drive traffic to your site. Choose the appropriate options to describe your promotion methods. Now, read and agree to the terms and conditions of the Amazon Associates program. After completing the registration, you'll receive your Amazon Associate ID. Visit the Product Linking section on your dashboard. Choose product links to find specific products to promote. Search for items relevant to your blog's content. Once you find a product, click on the Get Link button next to it. You can customize the link appearance if desired. Copy the generated HTML code for the product link. Next, go to your blog's content management system. Open the post or page where you want to add the product link. Paste the HTML code into the appropriate spot in your content. Make sure the link is properly integrated and visible to your readers. Save or update the post to apply the changes. Your Amazon Associates links are now live on your blog. Monitor your clicks and earnings through your Amazon Associates dashboard. Optimize your strategy over time by analyzing what works best for your audience. Following these steps will help you effectively enable Amazon Associates on your blog for earning potential. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.